This will be a video tutorial on how to access the developer tools in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Firefox web browser open now. To access the developer tools in the Firefox browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu, and you want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools and click on More Tools. Now at the very top up here, you'll see it says Web Developer Tools. The keyboard shortcut for the Web Developer Tools is Ctrl-Shift-I. I'm going to click on this. And by default, in the Firefox web browser, the Developer Tools opens at the bottom of your screen down here. You could put your cursor over this line here. And you see how it changes to arrows. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. You can make the window bigger or smaller. If you want to change your dock side for the Developer Tools, all you need to do is go over to the 3-dot hamburger menu over here. Click on that. And right here, by default, it's docked to the bottom. You could dock it to the right side of your screen, to the left side of your screen, or you could open the Developer Tools in a separate window. I'm going to leave it be where it's at here. Across the top up here, you have tabs. You have the Inspector tab, you have the Console tab, the Debugger tab, Network, Style Editor, Performance, Memory, Storage, Accessibility, Application, and I have Ad Blocker running on my Firefox here. To close the Developer Tool window, all you need to do is either press Ctrl-Shift-I, or you could go over to this X over here in the corner and click on the X, and that closes the Developer Tool pane. But that is how you access the Developer Tools in the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.